developer. The brain behind Ariaria Market, and one of the strongest body when it comes in terms of construction in Abia State. We are here to take a look at one of the skyscrapers and our partners, and also what they are going to install in the city of Aba. So we want to get the kind of prototype, right? What exactly this my brother Engineer Henry and his partners.
Wait. What did I just hear? Governor Alex Otti is building a skyscraper in Aba. Like, no jokes, my people. The first ever skyscraper in Aba is officially in the works. Igbo land is truly moving. We are on the move, and Abia State is not playing. This is the kind of news that makes you stop whatever you're doing and shout, AlaIgbo is finally taking off. And guess what? Aba, the heartbeat of commerce in the southeast, is leading the charge. Not just with big talk, but with serious projects like this one we are about to unveil. If you're from Abia State or from anywhere in the southeast, this one should make you feel so proud of yourself right now. Like, raise your shoulders up and say, I am proud of AlaIgbo. Let's be honest, for years now, people have joked about Aba being just about shoemaking and tailoring, but this right here is different. This is next level. Under Governor Alex Otti, Aba is getting a total upgrade. We are talking economic transformation with a touch of class. It's no longer just about hard work. Now it's about style, luxury, and global standards. Take the Ariaria International Market, for example. It's already one of the biggest markets in West Africa. You all can testify to this, but now it's going through a massive facelift, a second phase to truly earn that international title. And guess who is behind this game-changing move? Henken Global, the developers of Ariaria International Market. These guys are not just playing. Just recently, the CEO and Commander Engineer Henry Okorafor flew all the way to China, not for vacation, no, but for serious business. He went with his team to inspect and take delivery of state-of-the-art equipment and materials for the next phase of the Ariaria upgrade. And that's not all. They also went for technology and skills transfer, learning from Chinese experts how to implement top-class infrastructure and even prepare for the construction of a skyscraper that will rise right there in Ariaria Market. Skyscraper inside market, I beg, would they breathe? This is not just construction. This is intentional development. It shows vision, it shows planning, it shows Abia is now playing in the big leagues. Oh yes, AlaIgbo has no excuse anymore. We deserve the best, right? And with leaders like Alex Otti and partners like Henken Global, we are finally getting it. This is the kind of movement we've been praying for. Skyscrapers in Aba, ultra-modern international markets, foreign tech collaboration, infrastructure built to last. Oh yes. No wonder investors are starting to pay attention to Aba again. Please, you people should start coming home and invest in Southeast Nigeria. Can we take 1 second to clap for Governor Alex Otti? This man is not here for long drama or photoshops. He's actually doing the work quietly, consistently, and boldly, from roads to sanitation, from market redevelopment to long-term planning. The skyscraper project is just one of many things in motion. Otti is giving Aba a new face, one that matches the industrial spirit of the people. So if you're still doubting what's happening in Aba, wake up. The renaissance is real. The Southeast is rising and Abia State is taking the lead. Honestly, it's things like this we absolutely love to see here on Ebony People TV. If you like what you're seeing, kindly like this video and share to people who would love to see it. We'll see you in our next video.
So everybody follow me is okay. And then I explain and then like understand. This building is for our building. This one the office.
Okay.
Yeah. But this area have the office, have warehouse, have the also is the factory also. Okay. Together. Okay. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are here with the Chinese company and also with the commander and the chief executive officer of Henkel Properties and Henkel Real Estate and Henkel Developer. The brain behind Ariaria Market, and one of the strongest body when it comes in terms of construction in Abia State. We are here to take a look at one of the skyscrapers, our partners, and also what they are going to install in the city of Aba. So we want to get the kind of prototype, right? What exactly this my brother Engineer Henry and his partners, what they are going to bring to the city of Abia State, Aba. So come with us. This is a site manager. Let's go and have some survey. Thank you. First and foremost, I want to give honor to whom honor is due. His Excellency Dr. AlaIgbo Otti of Abia State, the Executive Governor of Abia State, and his deputy, and all the members of the House of Assembly and the Internal Chamber and House of Rep in Aba, respectively. And also, this young man and boy Engineer Henry for now about the engine room, the brand behind the Ariaria Market. You know, Abia State. All this man and boy Engineer Henry, who has spent 25 years in China as a construction engineer. In China and for many years. So, the first state of Ariaria China with workers. About here, Boro, the China, Arabia, install that very big market. In case so many of you have not been to Aba recently, but thank God, some of my friends are partner go with us. For those 5 shops, for those 10 shops, for those 2, for those 3, for those 1. More than 5,000 shops in one phase. Now, I actually may raise another 5,000 shops in the second phase, which Engineer Henry for boye guy be the oro, because now the reason why you will be back at actually under China, be Nigeria. How am I going to Nigeria already? But some learning aspect of engineering sector Abia Kusiri workers, the Honoro Henken Global Services International. Bunke Engineer Henry on this year. I na Facebook or I may go soon on social media. Some technological aspect of it, some places I may go soon and or I will ban engine room because now I'm going to install second phase of Ariaria Modern Market Aba. That's the reason why Engineer Henry took it upon himself. Bottom 10 flight, at least 10 top workers on site. Flight and we have purchased a lot of sophisticated materials, skyscrapers. Yes. Also, I have Nigeria, some Nigeria go for the way bill, some Nabataba, for the media for the route to go already. Because now this second phase of Aba is only this man and our boy Engineer Henry for. Also, Nyamabo, Onyam, but because now he only want to use quality and the standard, just like that of the one I have here in China. If I can have a lot of skyscrapers and not the Engineer Henry Nobi that all the projects in Koganaro has more quality like Ebona Ruby before na construction company in China, because now one of the manager na construction company in China. How beam. Two pillars were done by 2 Engineer Henry and mana here is each of the workers Chinese company, and when you have the workers and down now for about all those people there for workers now and how many ahead of some offices now that's our modern market Aba. If I get enough for pillar no say about all this thickness, because exactly got for one site no one Aba, because we are trying as much as we can possible best to make sure that if that we are bringing it down to the city of AlaIgbo. But what we ask for is very simple. Let government support our investors. Let government support our engineers. Quality. Let government give that person maximum support. I thank His Excellency Dr. AlaIgbo Otti. He has been doing that. and kudos to him, to other governors who has, you know, emulate from him. Those the media guru na entertainment. The site manager, this lady, Mrs. Kim, when I just put it on mute because a lot of noise. But I'm just trying to break it down in our food pillars. Exactly here the market of Aba, and then about our customers. Our second phase now, after this Easter, I need to do our second phase immediately. As they play, they go. No time to check time. After Easter, okay, to go. Then go because I'm material I can learn all the time. Maganina, you for the Chinese company, if Roka has a Abuja block, the same way as we mode block a Skyscraper na Guangzhou, China, the same way engineer Henry's way, the same quality because if na plaza na Ariaria ba ihe eji abu ebe abu a na-emesi concrete with aja na okwute akwa etu esi akpọ block akpọ with concrete chippings we kpọ block. That is why their plaza is very solid, what is called solidify. Na anya ife eji si arụzi tape now na old modern technology bụ aka na-akpọ archaic bụ iweta ụdọdọ eriri iwee gbaa no ndị ọcha ada agbazi ụdọdọ eriri. Ife a na-emezi kịta bụ enwere machine ọya bụ isi ezi ozugbo ọ gaa line to line, up to up, down to down. Onye ha anaghị efe chọrọ ozugbo dobezie block n'enu the line, that's electric line, but all a battery. When they use solar, when they use a battery. So all your engineer Henry open the cartons okay more Makaragene actually accurate is accurate. Over 1 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. In there a wall or flush here. Over I watch go video when advert na Ariaria Market. Exactly the same structure the royal back to cover that place because now the laying of the foundation of that Ariaria Market in the China Caboro, I laid the foundation together with Ndebai, Hakuser Ndebai, modern way technology to SRO or they very solidify. Even though Skyscraper Abia Aba by Osisioma, Ogwa engineer Henry Okorafo. No, I got on this because if ever Babu can make research. Open under Nabo have a trouble do Igbo Mecha, Nenachako, we are Mamma Toto, it is a water fly over Nana. Open Hana Motif, whatever that I buy, made development, Okama, one way. Nangan Jack and engineer Henry Okorafo. Okay, Bella China, not 25 years, but a professional engineer. Professional civil engineer for the machine for the machine here. Or when I go with His Excellency Dr. Otti, and then it's or they verified, they tested, they got trusted. Address for years. Now this man has been working with the construction company in China for more than 25 years. I want to impact that knowledge and the mind of our people. That is the reason why Oju Money 10 made a mobile flight. They were China. 10 of his workers now on his construction site. I China. I just made research. I bet they go 1 week research now. Construction company, civil engineer in China. Jepa gezu kwa yono bo aka na emeya before basa number 1. Makagene ni yo bre tori me babo kwa yono baba Jepa. I game one no I nego da yeba. O woni yeba di Jepa kata. This side, this is 12-story building with Karo na Ariaria. The same elevator, our speed elevator, our here Ariaria modern market. Ego China, the whole first phase. If I achieve the structure of the second phase, which will commence immediately after Easter. So when the following I go now na this first phase. Oh, I was number Mananda hate go. You watch all this machine in the engineer Henry made import. But everything workers now are with ease. Obron Gero or Nabacasiaro, and when machineries, when machines, Eja Roro, I want moon na Eba Nabayakatabo, Open the federal government here structure 25 story building into 30. How does the place map one and see of we will develop that place in the space of 2 years because now if I go mindset here to know about engineer Henry Okora for bro Yamuramo inbuilt all the inbuilt because now our guests we are this ultra modern market under the space of 6 months. MNF foundation of finish shows will flush here. If you na on open ego day with a war on engineer Muife, if you know Raga, but open ego day with all engineer and when you are Monaco, if you know Raga boom, I may abandon. Yeah, about the site I'm in China. The same thing I read back engineer Henry Chadibi Aba. Now the your government about allocate area and say any about develop one 6 months and I share that by exactly in your hand for China. Kaimakara install in the city of Abia State. Actually, my Abia State that is a business hub. Kitana International Airport and cargo. On other than abandoning China, Emirates rather dear life. Lufthansa, Ganada Aba, all the whole cargoes, Ganada Aba, Egypt Air Ganada and the Ethiopia Airline, Ganada Aba, all those a whatever speed train, yeah, connected to go to inside market. Here about vision and the audio in action, not just vision without action. On the go in action. Abia Airport, not very close. I would say with the 25th story building, skyscraper into 25 pieces to 30, and the speed train, even that is why engineer on them money. Though if I'm not going to make a Dr. Otti weapon no quality, cancel with action, not only by prayer. Say cancel with action because other Abia, the Imo, the Kworo Enugu, and the Kworo other states nearby Abia State. Thank you very much. I'll be right back.